Hi everyone, this is Amy. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own modeling paste so you can add raised details to your art projects. So let's get started. To make this texture paste, you're going to need a small container to mix it in. But the main ingredients are school glue and some acrylic paint. I'm just going to use white, and you're going to use either baby powder or flour. And I'm not going to use the powder, I'm going to use flour today. Pour some of my glue. And to that I'm going to add some of my acrylic paint, about the same amount. And I'll just mix those two together. I'm going to start adding my flour. I'm just going to add a little bit at a time, but I roughly need twice as much flour as I have of the glue and the paint. And that's getting too thick, so I'm just going to add a little bit of water. And there is no right or wrong amount to add, but you just want this to be able to hold its shape like that. Okay, so I have a piece of cardboard here and I'm going to demonstrate, and I have a stencil. So I've placed the stencil down on my cardboard. You could do this on furniture if you like. I'm going to put an amount of my texture paint there. I'm going to use a spatula that I use in my crafting to spread it, but you could always use an old credit card. So I'm just going to spread this on my stencil. Make sure I cover everything that I want. And then you're going to lift it and lift it upwards. Like that. Now you want to soak this in water right away and clean it off. But if you have some areas that are up like that, just dip your fingers in water and you can smooth that down. And if you have some little areas that went out of the lines, you can tuck those back in with a toothpick or remove them. And here it is, all finished and dry. And I used my blow dryer to speed up the drying process. But as you can see, you have this raised detail. And now you can paint over it. So that would be a way to add details to a piece of furniture or to a sign or some artwork. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.